Good morning, children. Very good morning, Anna. Anna, in the last class we have done the question answers up to in the workbook page number 5, second workbook page number 5. 1, 2 we have finished. Third also you are going to do the drawing. I told you to do the drawing, Anna. Any interesting character which you have liked. Okay, right now fourth one also we have finished, Anna. I think fourth one also we have finished. Fifth one also we have finished. Sixth also we have finished. Okay now. So now we'll go through the seventh question. Narrate the experience of the woodcutter on his trip to the forest in your own words. How he went to the forest. You are going to. How you went to the forest. You are going to describe it, Nana. Narrate the experience of the woodcutter on his trip to the forest. Okay, how he went to the forest, what experience he has done. All those things you are going to do on your own. Understood? If it is not possible, just I will be seeing for the 2 days. I will be seeing for 2 days. Then I will be writing that matter. Okay, now try to do that. Now page number 8, Nana. Page 8 is the workbook. Page 8 workbook. Okay, Nana. Now read the extract from the story and complete the tasks that follow. Read the extract from the story and complete the tasks that follow. When the woodcutter was quite sure that everyone was gone and nobody could see where he had hidden the picture, he took in. When the woodcutter was quite sure, woodcutter అయితే దాసింది ఎవరు చూడలేదని చెప్పి కన్ఫర్మ్ గా అనుకున్నాడు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? He took it from the hole in which it lay and carried it carefully home. So he picked up the picture and holding it on his shoulder began to dance wildly about. అది పట్టుకుని ఎవరు చూడలేదని తెలుసుకుని వేరే దగ్గరికి మారుద్దామని ఇంటికి తీసుకెళ్దామని అది షోల్డర్ పైన పెట్టుకుని డాన్స్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళారంట. ఓకేనా? Suddenly, however, he began to feel giddy and fell to the ground, dropping the picture. However, he began to feel giddy and fell to the ground, dropping the picture. Okay, na? Dropping the picture. Okay, it broke to pieces. అతను తీసుకెళ్ళి పడేశారు అనమాట. It broke to pieces. The woodcutter repented his foolishness. ఆయన రియలైజ్ అయ్యాడు అతని ఫూలిష్నెస్ ఏంటో. As the time passed by, the woodcutter returned to his old ways. అలా రోజు గడిచే కొద్దీ వుడ్ కట్టర్ ఏమైంది, పాత రోజులకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అనమాట. పాత రోజులు ఎలా ఉన్నాడు, కొద్దిగా వుడ్ కట్ చేసుకొచ్చి కొద్దిగా అమ్ముతా ఉండేవాడు అనమాట. అట్లాగే అయిపోయాడు అనమాట. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, he never kept a secret from his wife. But he had learned one lesson. He never again kept a secret from his wife. He never kept a secret from. He realized that he did not tell about the picture to his wife. But at the end of the story, he realized that he never kept secret from his wife, because he felt sure that if he had told her the truth about the picture when he first came home, he would have helped him to save the precious treasure. What he thought, Nana, if he had told about the secret about the picture to his wife, she might have kept it carefully, and she would not have allowed the woodcutter to break the picture, Nana. Okay, na? So what he thought, if he would have told to his wife, she would have kept the precious treasure. Okay, she would have saved the precious treasure. Now write true for the statements that are true, and F for the statement that are false. Okay, Nana? See here. The woodcutter was sure that no one knew where the picture was hidden. First one is true. Okay, Nana? The woodcutter was sure that no one knew where the picture. He was very sure. Okay, now. Second one. He took it out from the hole where he had hidden it and took it back to the forest. Okay, na? He took it out from the hole. Hole on he said. And took it back to the forest. False. Mali forest tiskelada? Tiskelada. Third one. He picked up the picture and put it on his shoulder. A picture tisi shoulder paina ettunnadu. Yes, true. True. Fourth one. The woodcutter's wife lost her balance and dropped the picture to the ground. Woodcutter's wife lost her balance. Woodcutter wife padesara lekapothe tana woodcutter padesara. Fourth one, false. Now fifth one. The picture did not break. Picture anta pagaledanta. Picture pagaledanta. False. Then sixth one. The woodcutter repented his foolishness. The woodcutter repented his foolishness. True. Seventh one. He never again kept a secret from his wife. He never again kept a secret from his wife. From his wife. Sixth one. Seventh one. True. Eighth one. The woodcutter thought that his wife could have helped to save the picture from breaking. Eighth one, true. Correct. ఏంటి ఆ వైఫ్ అని చెప్తే సేవ్ చేసేదేమో అనుకున్నారు. ఓకేనమ్మా, అవి రాసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 9. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 9. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 9. పేజ్ 9. Page 9. Make new sentences using the words given in the passage on the previous page. ముందు పేజ్ లో ఉన్నదానికి ఉన్న వర్డ్స్ కి మీరు సెంటెన్స్ తయారు చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, హిడెన్. HIDDEN. హిడెన్. హిడెన్ కి మనం ఒక సెంటెన్స్ తయారు చేద్దాం. సుభదత్త. SUBHA. Subhadatta, DATTA, Subhadatta had, HAD had, HIDDEN hidden, had hidden, Chida, MAGIC magic, picture, PITCH here, picture, near, NEAR near, his, HIS his, COTTAGE cottage. Okay na, first one. Second one. Excuse me. This is the word for which we have written the sentence. Second one, giddy. GIDDY, giddy. GIDDY, giddy. The THE, CHILDREN, children. The children were, WERE were, MOVING moving, MOVING moving, IN in, CAR CLES circles, and suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. They started, CHEY day, STARTED started, they started feeling giddy, they started feeling giddy, GI, feeling giddy, okay na, they started feeling giddy, okay na. Next, now see the third one, dependent. Dependent అంటే తెలుసుకుందాం, రియలైజేషన్ అయింది అనమాట. నా పనికి నేను చేసిన పనికి ఇలా అయింది. డిపెండెంట్. థర్డ్ వన్ డిపెండెంట్, REPENDENT. DED dependent. Dependent की dependent చూడండమ్మా. She wasted her time in playing video games and repended, REPENDED, repended when she failed in her test, INHER her TEST test. Okay na, when she failed in her test. Okay na ma. తన బాధ వీడియో గేమ్ ఆడినప్పుడు తనకి ఏం బాధ అనిపించలేదు. ఎప్పుడైతే తనకి టెస్ట్లో ఫెయిల్ అయిందో అప్పుడు తన రియలైజేషన్ అయిందనమాట. రిపెండెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ 4th one, secret. We should not keep, KEEP, keep any secret from our family. From our family, family. From our family. Okay now, next. Next one, truth. 4th, secret. Next, truth. TRUTH, truth. It is very important, important to tell the truth. TRUTH. Tell the truth. Okay, Nama? Now 6th one, Nama. Precious. 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 The magic picture was the MAGIC. Magic picture was PITCHER. Picture was very, VERY, very precious. PRECIOUS, precious. Okay na? Magic picture was very precious. The next one, treasure. TRESURE, treasure. Treasure. The sailors. SAILORS, sailors. Were, W-E-R-E, were. L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking for lost treasure. Okay, Nama? Okay, copy this. Right, treasure and the sailors were looking for lost treasure. Okay, na? We should hide our treasure అని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. మీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. Treasure, the sailors were looking for lost treasure. Precious, the magic picture was very precious. The magic picture was very precious. Okay, na? Time is very precious. We should not waste time. Money is అది కూడా రాయొచ్చు. మనీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ప్రీషియస్, విచ్ నాట్ వేస్ట్ అట్లా కూడా రాయొచ్చమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఎనీ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, ఎనీ అనదర్ సెంటెన్స్ ఒకటి చెప్తాను మీకు. హిడెన్ gold is hidden in the precious gold metal is hidden in the bank, in the lock. I felt giddy when I was playing. I repented for my bad work. Okay, secret, we should not keep any secret from our family. We should not maintain secret in the class. Okay, then truth, it is very important to tell the truth. Always speak truth. We can also write precious, the magic picture was very precious. The diamond ring is very precious. Okay, Nama? Treasure, the sailors were looking for the lost treasure. Okay, Nama? So we have completed the making of page number 8 and 9. Okay, the next class we will be doing with the page number 10, 11 and 13. Okay, na? Okay, Nana? Complete this work. Complete your workbooks. Okay, bye. We'll be meeting in the next class. Write neatly, Nana.